Hello friends, and welcome to the Polar or Tundra box. This box will teach you about the polar regions of the Earth. Sometimes the polar regions are called a tundra. A tundra is a kind of desert. It's called a desert because they actually have very little rainfall in a year. You will find walrus, seal of different kinds of penguins, polar bear, the snowy owl, the beluga. This is actually a moose because his antlers are solid and look like hands. But what lives mostly up in the area of the polar regions are caribou or reindeer. There's also a Arctic fox, the gray wolf, and the snowy hare. Now, you've seen the snowy hare if you have looked at the forest box. The snowy hare is one that will be brown in the spring and summer and white in the fall and winter as his camouflage. Other animals that you will find in there, you can scan the codes and watch video about them. The North and South Poles are polar habitats. They're extremely cold and very dry. That's why they're also a tundra, a desert. In the winter, it's dark all day and night. That's because the sun is on the other side of the tilt from the earth. Very little plant life can grow in the winter. That's because it's mostly cold and covered in ice. And even at that, plant life can only grow at the North Pole, not at the South Pole. The North Pole is called the Arctic, and the South Pole of the Earth is called the Antarctic. In the summer, snow melts and the ground is covered with rocks, but only at the North Pole. The snow does not melt in Antarctica at the South Pole. If you have looked at the oceans box, you'll learn that the sea around Antarctica is called the South Sea or the Antarctic Ocean, just like the sea around the Arctic or the North Pole is the Arctic Ocean. After you've watched the videos and read the books in this box, play in a polar region and not in a polar region with these tiles. And as always, come see me if you need any help. Bye-bye.